Max, take him away. Get him out of my food.
What's happening, Max?
Your water is better than mine. Max.
Get him, George.